minutes early. We're weighing in at 2:36. About to go to work. Oh, I'm sleepy. That's 1. Up at 24. That's 3. We're 36 minutes in. Keeping it nice and slow. That's 5. About 12.5 minute pace. Well, 12:16 average pace. That's 8. Still keeping it, oh, I'm going too fast. Still keeping it slow. It's like a 12-something mile, averaging 12:30. About an hour and 42 in it. Less than 2 to go. It's about to storm. I hear the thunder creeping in. I may have to actually stop this at 9 miles. Almost there. It is lightning. The storm is here. All right, the storm is officially here. I think I gotta finish the last mile on the treadmill. And that's 10. 2 hours and 1 minute. I didn't go inside. I managed to miss the rain. Second workout done. We did a 10-mile run. Then we did a 1/4 mile of walking lunges and some abs. I'm gonna go eat my berry bowl and read.